How to unlink your email address from PUBG game. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimo from Geek, and in today's video I'll show you how you can actually unlink your email address from PUBG. So just make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to unlink your email address from the PUBG game, first of all, what you need to do is at bottom right you can see this little arrow icon over here. So you just need to go ahead and then tap on this arrow icon. Once you tap on this arrow icon, you'll see this interface. Now over here you just need to tap on the option that says settings from the top right hand side of the screen, and once you go to settings, you'll see all of this information over here. You can see our linked email address as well. So if you look email linked, and you have the option called change. Now if you want to unlink email from PUBG, you have to add another email address because PUBG account also need a host to log in. So if you want to also make any changes to it, first you have to tap on the change button. You have to meet these three conditions, of which I personally also haven't met, and that is that you must log in to at least 15 days in the past month. So in order to make any changes to this current address and this account, you have to log in for at least 15 days. The second is that the email address has been linked for at least 7 days. So from the day you linked your previous email, it must be linked for at least 7 days, and after that only you'll be able to change it. And the third criteria is that you are currently logged in with your email. So you want to make sure that you are currently logged in with your email right over here on the email application, and you also want to make sure to have access to it. Only after you actually go ahead and then fill in all of these criteria and then make sure that you pass this eligibility, you'll be able to make changes to your email. And to do that, you again need to tap on the change button right next to your email. You have to enter the new email you want to use and then verify the email after confirming your password, and only then your email account will be unlinked. But keep in mind, as I said, in order to unlink it, you have to link your new email address. Hopefully that cleared the confusion as to how you can unlink email from PUBG. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.